2005 Porsche Cayenne, clogged sunroof drain. I already did the driver's side and I'm doing the passenger side next. So if you go in the passenger side footwell, this is the end, and as you can see, it has collapsed. So instead of letting water in or out, it's completely collapsed. Okay, so my light decided to turn on finally. Anyway, this is the end of the sunroof drain on the passenger side, and as you can see, the end collapsed in, so it's flat now. You gotta push it so that it opens up again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this here so that the collapsed part is removed. And this is behind the AC blower motor. Okay, I was able to snip out the end, but if you see inside, it's dirty. There's a lot of gunk in it, so make sure you flush it out. Go on top of the sunroof, put some soapy water or cleaner in it and drain it out, but make sure you put this back first on the hole on the firewall. I can't do this with two hands, but it's in there. There you go. Or put a bucket underneath it so you can flush it out. Don't let it just drain out here and get your interior more wet. So we're here on top of the sunroof. I snaked in a transparent hose and I got some soapy water which I'm gonna spray through the hose to go to the sunroof hole. But I'm gonna position the camera at the bottom so you can see the soapy water coming out. Here on the passenger footwell, I added a hose extension to the sunroof drain so that when I push soapy water through the sunroof drain, you'll see it flowing through here and going into the container. So let me go up and put some soapy water through the drains. Alright, I'm hoping that's enough video to show on camera on how to unclog and clean the drain hole, passenger side in particular, on this 2005 Porsche Cayenne. Thank you for watching.